Hey guys, welcome to Mr. King Gamer Coder channel guys. So guys, in this video we are gonna play a new horror game, and this is my 25th video guys. This is my grand celebration. So I'm gonna play two games. That is, one is normal game, one is horror game. First I'll start horror game guys. That wins. So I'm in game guys. I love my video. Yes guys. I start. This is my mission guys. Okay guys, now we came in this terrace roof. So where's house here? Maybe I can use crowbar. Oh, crowbar is just here. Wow, from where it came off. So from where it came guys, the crowbar. Hey, this is very tough guys. This plank one and this plank. Hey, be careful. No, it's very tough. God save me, God save me. Yes, God save me. Now I will go and check in this corridors guys. Hey, but what is there in these blanks? We can break this planks. Oh, dynamic bomb. Oh no guys. Come on. Came. Okay. Oh, it is broken. You know, with my effort, it had to break, right, guys? So, guys, hey, where I came? This is a jail. I'll search about here. Okay. Hey, what's there? I know something is shining. Hey, blue key. Wow. Hey, blue key at Utav yaar. Utav means. Take the blue key here. Take. Now come. That I'm gonna do terrace escape guys. So come. Let's go. Top. And what are these doors? And in electricity that this door will open. Okay guys, it is maza. Hey, laser system. I'll drop blue key over here guys. Here we need screwdriver guys. And guys, we have to go down. Electricity, we need this. But dirty, I don't want this dirty. Hey, but code is there, guys. Code. No code, I think. Okay, come down. Hey, what is there here? No. I got something here. Something is there. Nothing is there. No dynamic bomb. Wow. Whatever. Hey, कुछ भी नहीं means nothing is there. And at least in this, wow, this different acid. Okay, it's an acid, guys. I know what type of acid. Hey, oh, I need iron cock, guys. We have to go down first. Okay. No guys, what's this? Oh. Hey, where I came guys? A secret. Wow. I went where guys? Hey, I will come up guys. Please. Hey. Help me guys. Hey. Make me to come up guys. Oi. Oi, what's happening guys? Wait 1 minute guys. Guys, I came here in ending because by opening that jail I came till here. And guys, Bob and Buck will be very taller than me, guys. But I need this bottle, guys. I need to refill my health. So much health is gone for me. Okay, now where will find blue key, guys? Blue key, I throwed it somewhere, guys. But it's not in my security side. So this is a secret. What I done? Blue key. Oh, blue key. Where you escaped from me? Oh, you escaped till here. So I need crowbar. Crowbar is down. Crowbar. Very good. Crowbar came with my hands, guys. Now I can open the plank. हम plank तोड़ देंगे. Means I open the plank. Oh, blue key. Hey, what did I do? Okay. Now let's go top, guys. Let's throw blue key over top. Not here, guys. Here. And open this. Oi, dynamic bomb. Okay. Dynamic bomb came over to my control, and what's there here? Oh, green key. Oh, where I came, guys? Wait, guys. Whoa! Hey, guys, what is there here, guys? How will find the key, guys? Oh, my joystick! Oh, my joystick! What happened to my joystick? Hey, what is this, guys? Many trapped secrets, guys. This is not a game. Trapped secrets. My joystick is not moving. Yes, it's moving, guys. No hurry now. Now let's open this door. Oh, iron disc. Oh, nice. From where all it got iron disc. Wow. Handle. Door handle. Hey, where will... Oh, when we keep door handle, we'll get plasma gun. First, instead of going fast to electricity, first let's search something here. Okay. Hey! Oh. Again, nothing. And here revolver will be. That's space. Hey, this much far. Means I need electricity support. But hammer is here. Can something be here? Hey, yeah, dirty fabric. Hey, my experiment is done. But where are to leave I have to see. What's here? Red key. Okay, I need crowbar for this. Oh, revolver part. I have to shut down this electricity, I think. Oh, this much dark, guys. I can't see nothing. Can I switch off? Now I think we can open that electricity door. So I think the current comes fastly. Hey, go fast, go fast. Why? You have to go fast, very fast. If we can't, we can jump and go also. Yes, I opened. My mission is success. Guys, you have to come very fast. This is very tough. Okay, guys, come down. Hey, we opened, right? We need a help. Yes, guys, I came. Hey, we can't close the electricity door. Oh, this much sound. Oh, wow. Button fall down. Okay, newly button fall down. So let's take newly the button. This is a new update, guys. This button where I have to keep, guys. Yeah, guys, I understood. Okay. And now let's set the button over here. Here only the empty space. But I need cogwheel. For that I need... But first I'll refill my health, guys. I need this and dirty fabric over here. But their laser system is there. Now this is our shortcut, guys. Yes, guys, our shortcut is so success, guys. So now let's keep the fabric over here. Ready. Wow, I got my health line. Did you see the magic, guys? Okay, my health line is full now. Now I can do whatever you want. Hey, I need... Now you'll do whatever you want. No. Now go up here. Up. Why we have to go up? I'll tell you, guys. When you come to second floor, I'll tell. Okay. You have to get the dynamic bomb. No. Oi, you have to get the dynamic bomb. Hey, yeah. For killing the one spider. It will be so kunta, yaar. It will be so kunta. Okay. Let's check that. It will be so kunta, but it is very strongest use. Okay, where's the spider? Hey, what's this gate? What is this gate? Yeah. Hey, new way is there here. Wow, well, let's go down. New way is there, guys. So it's coming. Now I came here. Finally. Now we'll go underground, guys. Very small spider. Hey, brother, you lied me. I know you are very bad. Yes, guys. I think spider is alive. I killed it. Finally. Hey, I got hot to take, guys. Hot to take. How you will get hot to take? A pump handle. Why pump handle? Because of you only. I killed for support. Okay, come down. Again, I'll refill my health line. Again, I'll refill. Slow, guys. Hey, come on here. This I killed. Oh. Hey, triple I came. This is scariest, guys. I'm feeling hot attack over here. Yes, I came finally. And guys, finally we can open the pump handle. We have to be holding. Oi, what up? Okay, we'll be holding. Oi! Oh, box fall down. What's there inside the box? Yeah, delivery. Wait, guys. I don't know nothing, I think. Let's blast it over here. Break box. Okay. Can we break? Oh, wow. What's there, guys? Which key? Hey, switchboard key. Yeah, I got switchboard key before only, guys. What's this? I think another new version came up when my secret works. New versionly secret came. So I'll go top, guys. But guys, I need the plank. Hey, you break the plank, right? I think there one plank will. Now newly we can get the diamond here. Oh, green key is there. Okay, come. Oh, diamond I got, guys. Oh, where's Mona Lisa ka tasveer? Means Mona Lisa's picture. But where? Oh, I thought Bob here. This Bob. It is Bob's painting here. This is Buck's painting. Okay. Okay, guys. Sit up. Top Mona Lisa ka tasveer. Okay. Now go down, guys. What I'm doing also I won't understand, guys. Now I need 2 4 3 4. Hey, I got the code here. Code. I got the code. Yay, hooray. I got the code now. And we need hand wheel for the coin here. 2 4 3 4 4 3 4. Iron cog. God saved my day, yaar. Iron cog मुझे चाहिए यार. Means I need iron cog यार. Go down, guys. Now where we have to set the iron cog, I know, guys. But very big sound will come in that place where I set it the button. When we click on the button, what happens, guys? So what is this here? Who is shaking me here? 2 4 3 4 is the password. Okay. Nothing is there. Oh, back button. And what is this? Again button. Okay. Hey, hand wheel. Yay. Now what we have to do means, hey, in this side only we have to go more downer. This twins game is very big house, guys. Wow, cage key. Cage key is no more, guys. I don't know. Now I'll get the coin here because of that. Now guys, I need Mona Lisa ka tasveer. This Mona Lisa's painting. Okay, where is the code here? It's that code. Okay, without code I'll try, guys. More up. What are you doing, guys? I'll open, guys. I think we'll do like this. Hey, first test, guys. First test only it came. Really, I'm telling, guys. I didn't pause the video and do, guys. I thought I will do on my own. I think it won't come. But it came here and finally. Yeah, but the last thing we want, guys, that's plank. I know where plank we can get. We need underground. Go underground, guys. Means not where we of the electricity, guys. See, this is our plank, guys. See, this size of plank we need, guys. Okay, guys. Now come up. Now come up. Now come up. Now let's go up fastly, guys. Hey, not here. I went so up here. Only second floor. Here, that's it. Oh. Hey, yes, guys. We settled the plank, means I kept the plank, guys. So I need screwdriver to open this. Okay, now I got the Mona Lisa ka tasveer also, guys. Now last I have to pick the coin. And I got the screwdriver and the blue key. My game is done, guys. How no, it's done. The last we have to get the coin, guys. The coin, I know where the coin will be, guys. The coin will be down of here, guys. I go down, guys, fastly. Yeah. Gold coin. Now let's refill my. Now this is our gold coin. So I know where's our diamond. My diamond is on the place only, guys. I'll drop all in one place, guys. When the diamond also, guys. So I need screwdriver, guys, and finally open even this, guys. Okay, come on. We need blue key now. Now open this lock, guys. Drop even the crowbar. You know, guys, crowbar helped me to be in ending, guys. 2, 3. Bye bye. Wow, I done terrace escape, guys, in finally in 23 minutes. As meaning of 25 minutes I done. Congratulations on a successful mission. The 3 valuable items have been returned to user. Or good luck, have a good nice life. So guys, now let's play our another game, Car Simulator, guys. Our 25th video, we are playing 2-in-1 games. Yeah, this is our Car Simulator game, yeah. No, guys, I don't want to install. If you want to install, we can install, guys. I think we have to. What you have to do, I don't know. Hey, it is started, guys. Okay, I'll take my car. This is my car. My Lamborghini car. Car Simulator is best game, guys. I completed all the missions and I got my Lamborghini. Oh, very speed is going. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, very easy to play missions, guys. My whole meaning is about the pace, guys. Guys, something happened, guys. Shit. Restart, guys. Oh, it's an ad, guys. To take away the ads. Ads are troubling me day to day life. You ads. In all my videos, you ads only will come to me. Okay, finally I came, guys. Hey, what happened? Hey, this is very bad game now. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, and I'll park my vehicle outside first. Yeah. I'll get down. Guys, I can also get down. I'll show you. So wow, nice. Hey guys, you see my house, guys. See my house, and we can open even this. Hey, I have gun also. I hit everyone. Oh yeah, all are dead. Yeah, but where we'll get this laser? No, guys. We will get this laser on that. I didn't buy the 3 lakhs apartment. Oh, hey, we have uncountable bullets, so I can shoot. Oi. Holy uncountable bullets. I'm the police. Come on, I will travel. It's my wish to travel water. Guys, and not only these cars, I have more cars, guys. More nice cars. Wow! Oh, 197. Wow, nice speed. Hey guys, not this. I don't want to play this one. I want to play race missions here. But I didn't show you my cars, guys. I'll show you my cars first. I think I have less cars. I'll show you the drive of my cars, guys. We need so much money to do so much. Okay, guys, open this. Now let's come so fast. Open the garage. See, are my cars. Shark car and this car. This is my starting car. The shark car. Show you the right. My starting car won't go that much speed. I'll show my shark car speed, how it goes. It goes best only, guys. My shark car. For racing, I buy shark car when I get 122 money for all starting missions. So guys, I'll open this car. My starting car is so slowest, guys. Now I will enter in my car where I came. Guys, I came. I want to play one like downtown park. Not like this one, racing. It's there, the N1. Step on it. Okay, I'll play step on it. 13,000 we can win. Wow. Okay. Oh, these many racers. I have to win this. I won't let you win, you bastard. Oh, sorry, guys. I simply told. So I will go very fast. I will go very fast. Very fast, very fast, very fast. Till those people comes. Guys, better buy a Lamborghini, guys. No! No better buy, guys. Don't buy better Lamborghini, guys. Okay, guys, I'll start again. Guys, how to start again, guys? Restart, yeah. In this restart time, I have to win this race, guys. How to win this race, guys? Come on. I have to race. Wow, what? Again, I'll do, guys. Restart. Yeah, I think I lost my balance, guys. That's why I'm not going that much speed, guys. So, guys, I came to this mission. 3, 2, 1. My car should have 100% balance, guys. My car won't have, that's why I'm telling. Go slow. Now this time, I have to win, guys. Means I will win now, guys. See. Here only go slow. We have to go slow here only. Last time I have got crashed here only. Oh shit, I will win this game. Yes. Have confidence, bro. Have confidence. Shit, guys, come. Come on. No. Now, come on. Now I'll race everyone. Come. Actually, I was good player. Now I become worst. But still, I got 13,000 money. What a good luck, guys. Okay, I'll shoot some people, guys. Is someone there? Let's go to settings here. Where's vehicles here? Traffic density. Let's give it as 100%. Means I can shoot till far also. Hey, you only want pink mission. Pink color, yeah, pink mission. Pink mission. Pink color. I don't know that mission, yeah. I'll keep the by traffic. I'm keeping you so less. Sorry. No, guys. I kept you so less, guys. Okay, guys. What's the pink mission, guys? कितना दूर है? Oh, I know, guys. Means how much? Hey, guys, new missions are coming, guys. Hey! Okay, come. Now I have to go this, guys. Here, guys, I have to go. Hey, what I kept traffic density as 0. But why these many people are coming? Where's the mission? Hey, not this jewelry. Oh shit, I went to wrong route here. Now I'll see one pink color. Wow, I saw the pink color. What's the pink color mission name, guys? Bulb mission. Escape from the chase. Oh, escape from the chase. Okay. fastly, guys. No! Shit. Yes, I'll go to my destination. No! Guys. I'm almost lonely. Hey! Guys. I am over. Bye, police. Woohoo! A new escape from the chase available. And what's that escape, guys? I think the car will come little far, guys. I know, guys, from where I have to go. Guys. Move. Escape from the chase. A new mission came here. Escape from the chase. Hide in the safe place. So, bye, guys. Thank you for